How cool is that? Yes, I upgraded my lights. Another thing that I upgraded is the microphone. Now I'm using a little microphone here. Quality is kind of nice. You can hear me better and you don't hear too much the gym next door. The only problem is that it's kind of a pain in the ass to use and to set up every time, blah, blah, blah. So today I want to make it a little easier for me. So I'm gonna make a stand in which I can put both the transmitter and the receiver and also charge the battery all in one thing. And I want to make it out of styrene, like ABS, which it comes in like sheet form, and it's super cool because you weld it together and it becomes one piece. It's super nice to prototype things. In this case, it's going to be a finished product for me. So this is how you weld styrene together. You need to use plastic weld. In this case, I use this one, and let me show you. Now, the very cool thing about styrene is also that it's super easy to cut. You just need to score it a little bit and then you break it like that. Super clean and easy. So let's say that now I want to put together, I should say weld together, these two pieces. What I want to do is first put it where I want. Then I'm using a syringe with a solvent in, so I have like a little bit more control. I put those together and then I put just a little bit where I want to weld it. And I leave it. I hold it for like, I don't know, 15 seconds. Then I can leave it. You don't need to put it in the other side because it's gonna go by itself. And you have like a solid weld in like 10-15 minutes. You have full strength in like 24 hours, but you can still go on and use your parts. So super cool way to prototype things. Now let's do my little stand. One thing that I tend to do with this, when I cut it, the first parts are super light so I don't risk to move the whole thing. Then when you have a groove here, you can just go without the ruler and press it down, and it's gonna make it easier to make like a clean straight cut. What I really love about styrene, like in this case, there's like a little lip here. You can just go after and send it down and make it super clean. is what 3D printing looked like 10 years ago. Now, seeing this in person, I see a problem. So when this is in place, taking the batteries, it's kind of annoying. Kind of want to take it from the side here. So what I'm gonna do is figure out a way to cut it like lower here without destroying it, because I don't want to remake it. See what I mean? It's kind of annoying. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I will try. This is not gonna work. This can't work. It's never gonna work. It's too difficult to do like rounded cuts. There's no way it's gonna work. It will not work, ever. Not in a million years. No way. Oh, that's gonna be so bad. Hey, it's not bad at all. I knew it would work. Like I was sure it would work. I love it. Look at that. I knew it would work. Like I was sure it would work fine. See that? Perfect. This is where, of course, I should mention the maker knife, because super cool, right? Yeah. I don't need to do super straight cuts. All I have to do is like go close to where I want it, and then I can just cut it later and sand it and make it seamless. I'm gonna glue one side first so I can keep it 90 degrees. Oh, gravity, that's the thing. I'm basically tuck welding it right now, so then I can flip it the good weld after. Right now I want this to be like 90 degrees and I can flip it right now. So now it's gonna stay in place. I can flip it around and weld it nicely. It's so satisfying. See here? I don't need to be precise. I can just cut it later and then sand it. I'm so stupid. I forgot to put this in. Now I can't really put it here, and I also put stops here. But I actually think I can probably fit here. Please tell me, please. Please tell me it's gonna work. Ah, yes. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, this could have been pretty bad if I didn't get it in time. But I love that it flexes, so I can actually take it out as well. Yeah. But I'm gonna leave it here. This is so sketchy. Awesome. Now it's all wobbly because I need to add gaskets and something here for the other side that now it's attached to the camera, but this is exactly what I wanted. And a bonus, it's also that if I have it here, it's kind of more difficult to take the battery, so I'm not gonna use them for something else. These are dedicated just for the mics. It is unbelievable how much fun I'm having with this project. Styrene might be my new favorite material for a while, so get ready to see everything made out of ABS or stuff. I'm kidding. I mean, not really. I love it. Like, I really like it.